Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about American Bill Money. For those that don't know, I've been a part of American Bill Money since May of 2017, earning a full-time income online and showing others how to do the same. American Bill Money has been around since 2003. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and it's a postcard program that allows you to receive $75 in commissions for each person that joins this business under you, okay? So if you have 10 people that join you, you're looking at $750 in residual income. Now, people always ask, how hard is it to do that? And what I always tell people, it's not about the business being hard, and it's not about the business being easy, but it's all about consistency. Since I started this opportunity in 2017, what I realized is that the average person does not stay around long enough to get the results that they're looking for. They join the program, and within their first 30 days or 60 days, if they don't get the results that they're looking for, they quit the program. And what I want to tell people is if it was that easy to start earning a full-time income that fast, there would be tons and tons of people that are doing this, okay? There's a small percentage that make it online or that have a home-based business opportunity that actually works for them, because the average person quit the business before they even get started. So I just want to show you a little bit of proof of income of the weekly payments that I received with American Bill Money, and then I want to discuss with you how to do the same, okay? So going back, I'm just going to go back to last month and then of course cover this month. In May, I received, give me 1 second here. And then other people ask me, well, why you don't deposit your checks? I have mobile deposits. So I deposit my checks through a mobile phone, okay? So that's how I'm able to keep these checks for proof. Through my bank, they allow me to do mobile deposits. So here for May 4th of 2018, I received a total of $825 from American Bill Money. Okay. May 11th, I received a total of $450 from American Bill Money. May 18th, I received a total of $1,500 from American Bill Money. May 25th, total of $225 from American Bill Money. Then we have June 1st, a total of $675 with American Bill Money. June 8th, $750 with American Bill Money. And then we have June 15th, which was for last week, a total of $600 with American Bill Money. Now, what I want to let people know is with this opportunity, you can promote this completely offline, or you can promote it online, or you can do both. In the beginning, I promoted this primarily offline, utilizing the postcards, getting my labels, and sending out my postcards on a consistent basis. And then I decided to start promoting it online, utilizing a funnel where people are able to see my results much faster, okay? They also give you ideas and ways that you can promote this opportunity on American Bill Money website. When you order your package, it gives you information on how you can promote this opportunity. And what I can tell you is that most of the ways that I've tried to promote this opportunity actually works. But for most, the only thing that they're missing is doing it consistently and giving the business enough time to actually start working, putting the opportunity in front of enough eyeballs for people to actually take a look at the opportunity. Because with a lot of these programs, it's all about the numbers, putting the information in front of enough people to take a look at the opportunity, and then a percentage of those people actually joining your opportunity, okay, or joining the program. So if you want to sign up with the program and you want to get more information, my information is in the description below. If you want to reach out to me to get more information about the program and how I was able to accomplish these payments on a weekly basis, because we do get paid every single week, I don't mind talking to you and coaching you through what to do. Now, it all boils down to what it is that you're going to do, and if you're going to be consistent enough and stick with the business to see the results that that you are able to get with this business opportunity. What I tell people all the time is the difference between me and the average person is that the average person is not going to be consistent. But if you are willing to put in the effort, you're willing to stay with the business till the end, and you're willing to be consistent, whether it's online or offline, you will get the results that you're looking for. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great week. Stay inspired, because you can join up. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm live right now. I want to inspire people and let everybody know that you can join a on-base business, online business. There's a lot of different methods that work. It's just about, can you endure through the tough times when you're growing your business and you're building from the foundation up? Can you stick around long enough to see the results that you're looking for? Even when people give up or when people don't respond the way that you want, you're able to endure to the end. You're able to stick with it and get over that hump of building your brand, building the business. You know, in the beginning, there were so many people that were promoting the opportunity, that were earning, that was excited about the opportunity. And then unfortunately, it dwindled down to just a few that are still promoting it and they're earning full time, because those few people decided to stay a part of the business and everyone else decided to do something else because they weren't consistent or they didn't get the results right away. So again, stay inspired. Reach out to me if you want more information about this online opportunity, this offline opportunity, which can also be promoted online. You can also reach out to me on Facebook. Here is my Facebook page where you can get more information about the things that I do. You can connect with me. Feel free to send me any messages that you may have and any questions that you may have, and I'll be able to answer those for you. And I'm also here to help you get started. So thanks again. Have a great week, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.